You are now listening to the rhythms of track fusion music.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, the Hoxton Trend Peeps. Oh man, let me get this hood off. Oh my days, it was so hot in there. This is the Stone Island Shadow Projects. Now I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, I think it's Scarabeo. Let's look at it together because I'm not too sure. Right, Scarabeo printed glass bead coating. This is one of Stone Island's most expensive jackets that's come out in a very, very long time. It retails at £1,450. Hell of a lot of money for Stone Island, I'm not gonna lie. Now, for a lot of you guys who are not familiar with the Stone Island Shadow Projects, and I'm sure most of you will, I'm just gonna run past what Stone Island Shadow Projects really is. Boom. Now, you see this badge right here? This is the limited edition Shadow Projects badge. Now, Shadow Projects is basically a collaboration with a brand called Acronym. Acronym is based over in Berlin and they do some really cool kind of like quirky streetwear. I can't really describe it, man, but when I think of Acronym, I think of like ninja type outfits because their outfits are a little bit cool, a little bit different, a little bit similar to Yohji Yamamoto, the Japanese fashion brand. Now, what happened was Stone Island and Acronym did a project together and they collaborated and they liked it so much. They said, look, you know what, we're gonna do a permanent collaboration and we're gonna call it Stone Island Shadow Projects. And this is the result of that. You get the limited edition black badge. I'm telling you, it goes like gold dust. People really want this badge. This Scarabeo jacket is one of the few jackets that have been released in this type of reflective material. I did notice there was like a shorter jacket available. I think I also noticed there was like a reversible piece. I can't remember, but I saw some crazy pieces online. Now, the first thing I would note about this jacket is the feel of it is actually really, really nice. It's very well insulated. It feels really, really warm. There is down insulation inside the jacket as we would expect it being a winter piece. Also, I believe this jacket to be water resistant, not waterproof. It does feel like it could be wind resistant. And what would be amazing is if I was walking around late at night and then cars are shining on me and you know the flashlights and everything, it would just pick up the jacket straight away and it's really cool glow. Trust me guys, it is absolutely amazing. To be honest with you, let's be real, it is ridiculous. It's a hell of a lot of money, okay? Now, these jackets like this, they are kind of collector's pieces, so a lot of collectors out there would be just jumping at pieces like this. For the normal guy who's just looking for a warm jacket, I don't know, again, it's really expensive. In saying that, it is really warm, it's really comfortable. Let's look at more of the jacket inside. Let's look at some more of its features and see what he's saying, okay? So one of the first things I noticed when I was just messing around with the jacket just now is that when I put the hood on, you've got this really cool guard, look, that you can see over there. So literally, when I put this hood on, let me just show you real quick. And this is how I knew that the jacket was really designed for the winter season, the winter elements, because it totally protects you from the elements. Now, this should go all the way up to the top, like that. I can just button this up, like so. I can't hear any sound. Because I can't hear any sound, it's really kind of sheltered me inside the jacket, which is really good. It basically means that it's going to keep me warm. So what I noticed about that is, look at this, look at that. You see how that's kind of come up. You can kind of wear it like that, or you can just kind of wear it down like that as well, but super, super warm. And that's kind of like a felt wool material that goes around the hood. So literally, when you got this, it acts as a windbreaker. So if you turn to the side like that, when the wind is literally blowing, it's not gonna blow onto your face too much. Canada Goose do a lot of jackets like that as well. I call it a wind funnel for the face, and it just there to basically just keep you warm. Oh my gosh, I felt like I was suffocating in there. It was so hot. Now this reflective material is actually a fiberglass which is inside the jacket. It's little tiny particles of glass, and that is what makes the jacket reflect the way it does. So it really is awesome technology, okay? Now one thing I did notice about this jacket is it's got a really nice weight to it. Inside of the pockets are fleeced, which is really cool. Reminds me of Canada Goose, so that should help to keep your hands dry and warm, and if it's wet outside, help to keep them dry when you put your hands in your pocket. You can see here we got some pull cords at the bottom of the jacket. It literally, you just tighten that up at the bottom. It will stop cold air rising into your jacket, so it will help to keep you warm. Now this is a size large. The size large feels really nice on me, really comfortable. On the inside of the neck there, you can see you've got this kind of felt material that's going on. Just adds a little bit of extra quality, in my opinion. Stone Island Shadow Project, it says 10 years, 10-year anniversary. This is probably how long Stone Island and Shadow Projects have been doing a collaboration together. Now, one of my only concerns about this jacket, this reflective material, it may well crack. Now, Stone Island say that this is part of the jacket, it's part of the material, it's meant to crack, it's meant to give it that kind of look and feel to the jacket when it kind of wears in a little bit. But me personally, I don't really like that, okay? Because you guys know that when I buy my jackets, I have them for a little while, I wear them, and when I get bored, I sell them. So for me, if I spend £1,450 on a jacket and it comes time to sell and there's some imperfections like cracks and stuff, the person who I'm going to sell it to is not going to appreciate that, and it's going to really decrease the value of the jacket, in my opinion, okay? I think the only thing that I would like to see from this, and it's just me being fussy, is some nice pull cords on the inside of the jacket so I can get that little bit of taper that you guys know that I love, okay? Woo! That's it, guys. Listen, I've got lots more reviews coming like this, so make sure you stay tuned. I'll be back again with more videos. For now, peace out.